Hello and welcome to the XML support added to PowerBuilder 9, which is still a key feature of the new PowerBuilder 2017, making your applications highly interoperable. Today we're going to have a look at the XML support, in particular the XML Data Window and the new PBDOM or PowerBuilder Document Object Model, allowing you to parse complex XML or generate it as well. Opening up the PowerBuilder 2017 IDE, I've already built a data window here in the Data Window Painter. Notice just after you complete the data window object, you'll notice here that there's actually now a new XML Export Import Template section. If I expand that pane, notice that you can actually see that the XML data window will generate the data and schema in UTF-16 LE encoding. If you double click that, you can change that to any other types that you need to align with for an external application to exchange data. Also notice that if you use the right-hand mouse button, you can actually edit the actual name of the actual element itself. For example, we could call this contacts. We don't have to leave it as data window XML contacts. Same thing here for each start of every row name or an element name. We can change that here by using the right-hand mouse button or double clicking on it. Once we're actually created the XML schema in the format that we need, you'll notice here that we can use the right-hand mouse button and do a retrieve, and then I'll use the Save Rows As in the preview area. At this point, you notice that it wants a name for the actual XML schema. So I'm going to say yes, and I'm going to give it a name, contacts. And now it actually is prompting me to actually save the actual XML itself. So I'm going to choose XML. I'll choose contacts, and we'll hit save. Notice that I've also built another data window. It's a little different. This is basically the same data. Notice the headings are a little bit different to just show you it's a different data window. This could be a data window in another application. So I'm going to use the rows menu here. I'm going to do an import. I'm going to select XML, and there's the contacts XML file that I produced from the other data window. So you notice after the XML import, the data has been reconstituted here in this other data window. Having a look at the PowerBuilder Document Object Model, you can see here that PowerBuilder has provided you a set of objects, methods, and properties that allow you to actually introspect an XML schema and actually parse the data or generate data from that. Returning back to the PowerBuilder IDE, you can see here that if you add the library that comes with PowerBuilder 2017, which is pbdom170.pbd, you have all those objects that you see there in the help. And if you expand any one of those, you'll actually see the methods that were provided for you to utilize the XML schema and parse in or out the data as required. So to get more information on the XML capabilities within the new PowerBuilder 2017 and your free trial today, please visit www.appeon.com.